In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a link into your TikTok bio. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. When you're on your profile, click on Edit Profile. Scroll down and look at Bio and add a bio. I'm just going to type hey and then enter 2 times. You're going to put whatever link you would like to add into your bio right here and click Save. Sometimes the link is actually not clickable once you go into your profile. If this is the case, click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, Settings and Privacy, and click on Report a Problem. You can click any problem at this current moment because then you are going to click No and then Need More Help. This is where you can submit a problem to TikTok. I'm going to type I cannot click my link in my bio. You can then submit it, and that's all there is to it. They should get back to you in a few business days. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video for more tutorials.